Hey everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to get free money PayPal. As you can see my PayPal account. Let me show you. You must go to yesapps.net/PayPal. Here on the website where you can get free money. First you have to type in your email. Make sure it is the correct email address. And select your platform. I choose iOS. Connect. Choose amount of money you want. To complete the process you need to install 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. Usually just need keep it running for about 30 seconds. So what you need to do now is download 2 of these apps, start it up. You need to start the app and running apps at least 30 seconds. If it doesn't work on the first try, just try again with a different app. And now let's check your PayPal account. You can see the money balance is updating 9,000. I hope you got your money as well with the help of this tutorial. And just remember to follow all the instructions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it works for you.